Solana price analysis reveals over the last 24 hours, the Sol market has seen dynamic changes. While the price initially attempted to rebound after a week-long downtrend, the selling pressure soon took over and pushed prices down to lows of $29.85. The candlestick for the last 24 hours is quite bearish as it has closed below the opening price, signifying that bears are in control of the market sentiment. The RSI indicator is currently at 34.87, which is in oversold territory and signals that the downtrend could be nearing exhaustion. However, the MACD indicator shows that the bearish momentum is still strong as the MACD line is well above the signal line, red. The last week has been a tough one for Solana, as the prices have steadily declined throughout. The selling pressure has been strong enough to push Sol below the $30 mark and towards the lows of $29.85. The market sentiment is bearish at the moment, and it looks like the prices could continue to decline in the short term. The Bollinger bands are seen to be widening, signifying increased volatility in the market. The strongest support for Solana prices is present at $27, which is where the 100-day moving average line is currently located. This is a key level to watch out for, as a break below it could see Solana prices decline towards the $20 mark. On the upside, the resistance levels to watch out for are at $32 and $35.0. The 50-day moving average line is currently located at $32, and a break above it could see Solana prices rally towards the $35 level. The 4-hour price chart for Solana shows that the trend is still bearish as the prices have been on a downtrend since the beginning of February. The selling pressure has been strong enough to push Sol below the $30 mark and towards the lows of $29.85. The relative strength index line is currently at 34.87, which is in the oversold territory and signals that the downtrend could be nearing exhaustion. However, the MACD indicator shows that the bearish momentum is still strong as the MACD line is well above the signal line. The last few days have seen a sharp decline in Solana prices, as the market sentiment has turned bearish. The prices have declined below the $30 mark and are currently trading at the lows of $29.85. The market is expected to remain volatile in the short term, as the bears look to push prices lower. The key levels to watch out for are $27 on the downside and $32. The Bollinger bands on the 4-hour chart are starting to widen, an indication of increased volatility in the market. On the 4-hour chart, the 100-day moving average line is currently located at $27, and a break below it could see Solana prices decline towards the $20 mark. The 200-day moving average line is located at $22.50, and a break below it could see Solana prices decline towards the $15 level. Solana price shows bearish signals that may linger in the smart contracts investor sentiment for months. Traders should consider looking for better opportunities. Solana price shows disturbing signals to end the third week of June's trading session. The bears have suppressed prices into the $30 range, a price level unseen since July 2021. An increase of volume has poured in, which is rather peculiar as the price has yet to recover substantially from the $28 low that occurred Monday, June 13. Solana price currently trades at $32. The 4-day chart communicates a very bearish narrative as the relative strength index has printed an all-time low at the 28 level. Investors keen to the technical analysis guidelines by renowned author Constance Brown know that a market bottom is rarely ever valid during the first low printed on the RSI. Even if when a significant pullback occurs, Solana price is now highly at risk for an out-of-nowhere style sell-off to restore balance to the RSI's reading. The demise of the centralized smart contract token is also visible throughout the on-chain metrics. According to DeFi Llama's on-chain analytics software, Solana has lost $8.68 billion from its total value locked smart contract metrics. The almost $10 billion decline confounds the technical's freefall decline from Solana's all-time high at $253. Still, and invalidation of the downtrend can still occur. If the bulls can breach $58.25, they may be able to pull off a countertrend rally into $120, resulting in a 200% increase from the current Solana price.